Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the customer not receiving emails on Gumroad in 2026. Nothing creates panic faster than a customer saying I didn't receive the email, whether it's a purchase receipt, download link, or product access email. If customers don't get it, they can't access what they paid for. And in today's video, I'll show you exactly how to fix the customer not receiving email issue on Gumroad step by step. So let's solve it quickly. This starts by following these few simple steps. First thing you want to do is to ask the customer to check the spam folder. This solves most cases. So tell them to check the spam folder, promotions tab on Gmail, and the updates tab. Also, Gumroad email sometimes gets filters automatically. So once you told them to do that, you're gonna verify the customer's email address. You're gonna go to the sales dashboard on your Gumroad dashboard here, and then we're gonna go and check the email used at checkout. You're gonna find the order of the client. Then you're gonna check the email used at the checkout and look for common problems like typos, like Gmail instead of Gmail, all email accounts, any missing letter, etc. And if incorrect, refund and ask them to repurchase with correct email or manually send the product link. Third thing you want to do is to resend the receipt manually. Inside the sale, you're going to click on the transaction and use the resend receipt option. This often fixes the temporary delivery glitches. You can also ask them to add Gumroad to contacts if their email provider blocks automated emails, and tell them to add the Gumroad sending email to contacts, whitelist the domain, and this prevents the future delivery issue. The fifth thing is to check if you're using a custom email domain. If you set up a custom sending domain, make sure SPF and DKIM records are verified. You can also check the DNS settings because incorrect DNS equals emails silently fail. Always test your own purchase flow, use clear product titles, and include download access directly on the thank you page. And in the most cases, email delivery problems are caused by spam filtering or incorrect email entry. Double check the email, reset the receipt, and make sure your domain settings are correct. Since this quickly keeps your customers happy and protects your reputation. And this was it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.